Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram story not uploading. So you might be experiencing some problem here when you create a story or post on your Instagram. So for example, you take a picture and you want to post this one. Actually, you will find that is continue uploading and uploading and cannot continue the process. Well, all you need to do is just to first check your internet connection. So you can go on your phone settings. Either you are using Android or iOS device. So you can go on your phone settings and just check your Wi-Fi connection or maybe your data connection. You can try both of that. So you can try to open a Wi-Fi and then try to open the data if there is a problem over the internet connection. Or you need to make sure that when you are uploading some Instagram story on your Instagram, you need to make sure that you're not able to cancel it immediately. For example, if you share this one and then click on done, and once you share it though, and then you automatically or immediately close this Instagram. So when you go back to that Instagram, actually it will not continue that Instagram story there and still uploading. So sometimes some devices continue to uploading here. So that's the main problem here. So do not immediately close your Instagram while uploading some story. And the other way right here to fix this issue is to go to your Google Play Store and try to find the Instagram app. And then if you find that Instagram app and you find the update button right here, so all you need to do is just tap on update to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. And you need to make sure that it wasn't down at the moment. So you can go on downdetector.ph or .com and then find the Instagram here if it's down. And if that happens on Instagram, so you need to wait to fix that issue. So you need to wait a few hours and let the Instagram support team fix the issue right there and try to upload again your Instagram story. So that's it. That's how you basically fix that Instagram story not uploading. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.